Welcome to this explainer. Listen, if you're a global scholar, an educator, or maybe a tech innovator who's absolutely passionate about how we teach math, you're going to want to grab a pen and mark your calendars right now. We are looking at a truly transformative, upcoming international gathering set to happen in Nepal. It's called the STMC Conference, which stands for Shaping Tomorrow's Mathematics Classrooms. And guys, it's a gathering designed to literally redefine the future of math education, bringing together brilliant minds from all over the world to help us navigate the digital age.
The core philosophy behind this whole event is just fascinating. The organizers firmly believe that, quote, the future of mathematics education is not a choice between human intelligence and artificial intelligence, but rather a collaborative partnership. I mean, I love this framing. It perfectly captures that push and pull, the tension, but also the harmony between AI and human creativity in the classroom. You see, it's not at all about replacing teachers with cold algorithms. It's about figuring out how technology can actually amplify our human potential to inspire the next generation of problem solvers.
So what does this actually look like when you step into a classroom? Well, traditionally, as we all know, methods have leaned really heavy on rote memorization and procedural fluency, the classic drill and practice. But tomorrow's classrooms, they demand a dynamic, future-ready environment that requires this really beautiful, harmonious blend of AI integration and genuine human mentorship. The main goal here is fostering deep critical thinking and complex problem solving. It's a massive, absolute game changer of a shift from passive, sit-and-listen learning to active, tech-empowered discovery.
Section 1. An international gathering in Nepal. The organizers.
This gathering isn't just thrown together. It is a real powerhouse collaboration between two highly respected entities. First up, we have the Council for Mathematics Education, or the CME, which is totally dedicated to promoting quality math education, research dissemination, and serious global engagement. And joining them is the Central Department of Mathematics Education at Tribhuvan University, which happens to be Nepal's absolute premier academic institution for advancing math education. Together, they're bringing massive national and international prestige to this event, creating a really powerful platform to drive true educational transformation.
Section 2. Core Themes and Innovations. The sheer breadth of topics they're covering here is pretty incredible, meaning there's absolutely a dedicated space for your specific work. Whether your research focuses heavily on innovative pedagogy for deep learning, technology-enhanced teaching, or specifically AI and the future of math education, you are totally covered. They're also diving into really crucial areas like assessment and learning analytics, teacher development in the AI era, and curriculum innovation and STEM policy. This just goes to show global scholars that whatever your academic niche is within math education, this conference provides a dedicated, welcoming platform for your research.
Section 3. Choose your participation role.
Now, you should know this definitely isn't one of those sit and just listen kind of events. As a global scholar, you're being invited to actively engage in several really actionable ways. You can submit full research papers for your completed studies, or maybe conceptual and theoretical papers if you're out there exploring new frameworks. If you're more hands-on, you can actually present innovative teaching case studies, jump into panel discussions, or even run your very own extended 3-hour workshop. Basically, international educators and tech innovators have a whole menu of ways to engage directly with their peers.
Section 4. Submission Guidelines and Deadlines.
Okay, let's talk logistics. The scientific committee does have some strict academic formatting rules you'll need to follow. To submit, you'll need a 500-word abstract, followed by a 2,000 to 3,000-word full paper. And heads up, that word count absolutely must include your references. Make sure everything is perfectly formatted in APA 7th edition citation style and written in English. Once your paper is polished and ready to go, you'll just email it directly to counselformathematicseducation@gmail.com.
Time is completely of the essence here. I don't want you to just see these as dates on a screen, but rather as an urgent, limited-time opportunity to secure your spot at what's going to be a groundbreaking event. Your absolute hard submission deadline is September 30, 2026. You'll get your notification of acceptance pretty shortly after that, by October 16. And the main event, the STMCI conference itself, will take place in the beautiful city of Kathmandu, Nepal, from November 27th to the 29th, 2026. I know it might seem like you have plenty of time, but for academic research of this caliber, you really need to start preparing right now.
But wait, there is actually a really unique supplementary opportunity baked in here too. Right after the main conference wraps up, from December 1st to the 3rd, there are extended workshops. You can actually submit a proposal to travel and facilitate your own hands-on 3-hour workshops for local teachers. Just imagine trading your typical stuffy conference hall for the breathtaking views of Pokhara or Chitwan, directly impacting local educators while experiencing the incredible high-altitude culture and geography of the country. It's a win-win.
Section 5. Registration and Event Logistics.
I gotta say, there is some incredible value being offered here, especially for our global scholars. The early bird registration for international delegates is just $50, moving up to $60 for normal registration, and then $100 if you wait to register at the venue. There are also specific, localized tiers for Nepali delegates, but honestly, for a 3-day international academic conference of this scope, those international delegate rates make it highly accessible for global scholars to make the trip and bring their vital insights straight to Nepal.
Just to help you accurately plan out your travel budget, your registration fee covers a lot of the essentials, your breakfast, lunch, and tea or snacks during the actual conference days. It also covers the published conference proceedings, a handy stationery pack, and your official certificate of participation or presentation. Just be sure to keep in mind the exclusions listed at the bottom. You will absolutely need to separately budget for your travel flights, your accommodation, your airport transfers, and whatever visa expenses are required to get into Nepal.
So, I want to leave you with this one provocative question today. How will your research shape tomorrow's mathematics classrooms? This conference in Nepal, it's so much more than just another academic gathering. It's a collaborative, global effort to ensure that as digital innovation and AI continue to evolve at lightning speed, the human element of teaching remains powerful, equitable, and effective. I really hope this explainer has empowered you with exactly the knowledge you need. Get out there, start working on those abstracts, submit your papers, and be a part of this vital global conversation. Thanks so much for joining me today.